Planner friends, we are unboxing this brand new fountain pen that I recently purchased, and I don't know when it came out, but it's such an interesting fountain pen that I'm very interested to try out. This is by Sailor, and under the category or the branding is called Tuzu Adjust, and apparently it says it can rotate your nib feature, adjust your liking for your comfort writing. I don't know what that means, but I probably will play around with it, but it looks like you can twist. And then there's this one, the text, and then the back it says rotating nib feature. It seems like it's very highlighting on this nib feature that you can rotate. And here it says fountain pen should be held at correct angle and correct nib position. Rotate the nib. So if you feel like it's not the way how you hold it, I don't know exactly what it means by like rotating. It looks like you can press a button. So in the box I have one fountain pen, one converter which is already installed, 2 ink cartridges in black, and 1 instruction manual. So let's open up this beauty. It does come with other colors like the pink. I was really interested in the pink, but they were sold out everywhere. So I ended up getting the pink instead. I ended up getting the blue instead. This booklet will have some images of the way how you can hold your pen, and I think on the back I might have, the back will have English. So let's take a look at the English section. So natural fit grip, 2 gently sloped sides for a natural fit in your fingers. Snap cap that enables you to start writing right away. New type of nib offering a smooth writing experience. Slide type sealing feature, I guess the lid. And so here's some instruction on how you can rotate your nib. So you want to pull the ring downwards, and then number 2, slide grip to adjust angle. Oh, interesting. And then once you found the angle that you like, you can return the grip ring to original position. Try writing with anchor mark on nib facing up and pen slightly slanted. And pen feeder. So there is a hole in the pen, and that's where you want to dip your pen to draw the ink in easily. And fill with ink converter. Okay, I'm still not quite sure how to do the rotation pen. That's very unique. I never done that before. I mean, have that before. I think I will start using the cartridges that came with it first, and then after that. So here we have the blue. I wanted the pink one so badly. I like the pink more than the blue. Blue is nice too. It's like baby blue. But pink is more my vibe. It looks kind of chunky. I like it more like thinner. Let me see, where's that? There's no button here, so what do I mean by pull down? I think I need to play around with it first. Okay, I have been playing with this for like past 10 minutes, and I finally figured what it means by rotating the nib. It was a little confusing. I'm like, what does it mean by pulling downward the ring? So basically this section, there is a flat end, and it's like smooth and flat, and that's where you want to put your finger on. That's smooth. And then the rotating nib is basically depending on how you hold your nib size. So if you're someone that likes to, write like this, you want to move this around so it fits. So I think I'm gonna like stick with like slightly angle like this. So this part, it's flat, and then you just like close it. And it should like be flat like this. But if you want to tilt it, you basically make sure you unscrew the ring and the bottom part down, and you can move just this top part. And then once you're okay with it, you can see it move around. And then once you found your grip that feels more natural, then you can just like hold in place and tighten it. I think that's how it works. I'm assuming that's how it works. I was a little confused. I was playing with it for a while. I'm like, what does it mean by pulling the ring? How can I pull the ring? You actually have to unscrew it. Right. And then I think that looks good, and then should be, I think it should be tight enough. And this is what it comes with. I don't know what, I think it's color black. I believe I read that earlier, so I'm gonna use black. This is gonna be fun. I wish there was a big one. All right, these are pretty easy. Basically, you grab one of these and you just push it down. All right, once it's in, close it up and grab a piece of paper. Okay, I just realized my camera just like cut off, so I have to kind of refilm this. So I already got all my ink in here and I already started writing, so it's actually pretty smooth, I would say. Like it flows so fast, and it's it feels like it's more stiff, like you're using a ballpoint pen kind of situation. It's more, the nib feels more stiff, it's not as flexible. But I don't mind it actually. Like this is great for like everyday planning. Today. Hello? I actually don't mind it. Actually it turned out pretty nice. I wish it was pink. I think I said that so many times. But yeah, this works really well, and I don't mind using this pen. It definitely feels like scratchy, but I think it's fine when you're using it for everyday planning. You don't want it to be too, sometimes you don't want it to be too flexible, but this is great. I hope that helps, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.